if you look.
I know, we was looking yesterday, weren't we? Was it yesterday or the day before?
So it wants to be there. So you can see how much.
Cold.
Obviously, then if it grows too long, it will just get stuck on the bottom.
Yeah, it
And then
was
she got-
just beginning to stick. That's how you noticed it, wasn't it?
Also,
Is she healthy?
I've also got to know, I have a feeler.
Good girl, bird. Good girl, baby. Oh, you're quiet. Just trying to work that out. Good girl, baby. Do her clothes need doing?
Yeah, alright.
Does that always need doing then? How do they trim that down in the wild?
So they'll be in like bigger bones.
Ah, right, yeah.
So I'm fancy just holding her. It just makes my life easier. Just hold her onto her like that, just like that.
One cakes.
Good girl, baby. Oh, her little heart's going. Good. That they don't feel that.
Nah, it's just like
It's like a fingernail.
Yeah, just like your fingernails. Exactly the same.
Oh, nice manicure. Oh, it's quite a lot that come off, Keith.
Now what we're trying to do is just try and get it literally lovely shape like it would be in the wild.
Good, good. She's really good, isn't she?
Yeah, this is the good thing with this casting jacket. You can put them in there, they can't wriggle around, they can't do nothing. Same with a hood, they can't.
But she could still squawk.
Yeah, she could still make noise. Obviously, she knows.
But she's not objecting to this at all, is she? Really?
No, she knows what's going on.
Probably done before.
Do you reckon?
I'll just take a bit off that bottom.
People that had her before us used to just feed her pizza.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she just used to sit on a perch. She was really fat, wasn't she, Keith?
Done.
Oh, well done. Much nicer. Good girl, bird. Good girl. Oh, great. You're posting that online? I'm in that, aren't I? Oh,
I was looking at you to say shut up.
The only thing you have to watch out for, because that mesh, see that toe?
she's cut it. When we first had her, she cut it.
She did that out, right?
Yeah, and
So just keep an eye on it.
and like my son was really worried. He put Germaline on it and a
Yeah, I
plaster
just
and
put,
what have you, and
Savlon, like we put on
Yeah.
baby's bums, put that
Yeah.
on there. And then that, there, you see that little red spot there?
yeah.
Just keep an eye on that.
What do I put on it?
Same again, Savlon.
Oh right,
Alright.
okay.
All it is, that's what's called bumblefoot. So it could, basically she could get an infection in her feet, like she's a bit tender now.
Right. I got Germaline. Is that okay?
Yeah, anything sort of like that.
And Germaline numbs it as well if it's a bit tender. Could I put a bit on there while you got her in there?
Can do, yeah.
Yeah. I'll just get that.
Bit of tail damage. They've been cut. That's the main thing done.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
There you go. Mm-hmm. Lovely. Mother.
So she should have 5 chicks then, because she's
Well,
flying at the minute.
Yeah. Do you know how to tie a proper knot?
No, I was just...
So this is called a falconer's knot.
Yeah.
So the bird can't undo it.
Yeah. Right.
And then that loops back through. And then it's easy to undo then, all you've got to do is pull out.
And
It's
then,
undone again.
And we'll tie it with one hand.
yeah, neat.
And that's what it's designed to do, so if you've got hold of a bird on your glove, you can undo it and do it up again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should I take her beat?
Good.
Well done. All right, you have a little shout about it now. Yeah.